Hi everyone, thank you very much for joining me in this video. I will share with you in this video a stock that I believe is amazing. The past 5 years, it has gone through whatever, just like all stocks they have gone through the pandemic, they've gone through countless Fed rate hikes, right? The whole stock market and political drama along the way, all sorts of things, and most of the market has been down. A lot of stocks have been down, right? Most of them, the majority. But this stock, 5 years now, is higher than it was 5 years ago. It has kept its investors not just afloat but profitable. Obviously it all depends on when you enter a stock, right? But in what position you enter into. But this is a really good company, and I think that most people think about great companies when their portfolio starts to hurt, right? Because if everything is going well and we can party with day trades or meme stocks, but once things get a little rough, we're like, I do too, right? I'm not criticizing anyone. We need to go back to great companies. So that's what I want to share with you. Now, before I get to that stock, let's look at some headlines and news about other things, right? Just real quick, because I find them interesting. I just want to share it. All right, first of all, Mullen. Who would have thought? I'm shocked. I'm really shocked. I for the past 2 years, I've been the largest bear, whatever you want to call it, anti-Mullen person you'll ever see. And I've been right for the past 2 years. Doesn't mean that the stock has just been crashing and getting worse and worse and worse and worse and worse and worse, right? So I've been right, but I didn't expect this. 1,000 vehicle order, you kidding me? But we'll see, because Mullen has promised a lot of things, have come out with all sorts of, Fortune 500 company ordered this and this and that, and things just get worse. The stock is trading like 8 cents around there because it's got like a 3.6 billion float. Well, if you've been in the market long enough, you know that companies that have been doing really bad are 8-cent stocks ready to get kicked out of the market and have a 3.6 billion float. Means only one thing, and I'm not saying this to be anti-Mullen again, but like I said, the past 2 years, everything I said I was right. I expect, I don't know when exactly, but I expect probably a reverse stock split. That's just my opinion. Let's move on to the next one. Icon Enterprises drops on new Hindenburg Research short report. I'm not saying that you should buy IEP for the long term, but you know what? The moment those news came out, that was a perfect day trade, swing trade, whatever you want to call it. Because the stock had gone down to like 35, 36 bucks. You knew it was going to bounce back. I mean, I knew it. And it's right now trading at 40 bucks. So there it is. And I did say in my Discord that this is going to go up. As soon as when the Hindenburg research came out, I said that it would go up. It's just, so those are pretty cool, rare opportunities. And it has an $8 dividend. So that's pretty cool if anyone, So if anyone's looking for dividend stocks, that's an $8 dividend. And if you could say it's on a discount now. So that's one. All right, but Bill Ackman was extremely happy with that. Bill Ackman, doesn't get along with Carl Icahn. Over a decade ago, they had a dispute with each other about, was it Herbalife? On Twitter, an hour ago, he said, he tweeted this: "There is a karmic quality to this short report that reinforces the notion of a circle of life and death. And such it is a must read." And he puts the link to the Hindenburg Research Report. Poetic, I would say, with deep meaning, life and death. All right, so that's that. All right, Anheuser-Busch offers free beer to distributors amid Bud Light backlash. You know what? I want to say something because I've never said anything about this whole thing. Businesses and companies, in my opinion, need to stick to their business. So if you're producing beer, just focus on producing beer and being the best at it and sell your beer, and that's it. When companies start pushing an agenda that has nothing to do with beer, in this case, I don't like that. The company is trading at $63.69. It's a bit down over the past 1 month. And look at that, MPLX over, where was it? Well, it was on July 31, 2021. So back on July 2021, I talked about MPLX, and it was a YouTube video that I had done and the stock was trading at $27.52. The title of that video, as you can see here on the bottom, said, "Truly one of the best stocks to buy." Since then, 2021 going forward to present of 2023 right now, the stock is now trading at $34.74. If you buy a bunch of good businesses, like Warren Buffett said, you're going to succeed, right? So this was one good business. Buy a bunch of good businesses like MPLX. Hold them since 2021, go through countless Fed rate hikes, and you'd still be profitable, right? So that's pretty awesome. I'm very excited about this. It's a stock actually that I really like, and I have it in my long-term portfolio. I'm not even thinking about selling it right now. I like it. I'm just going to leave it there. It has been a survivor through so many Fed rate hikes. How about Exponential Fitness Corporation? Just going back to the good old times of 2021 IPOs. Do you remember this? XPOF. I made a video about it. As you can see, here's a screenshot. It was going to go public at 14 to 16 US dollars, right? And now the stock is trading at $32.84. Now the stock I want to share with you, the company I want to share with you that I think is a pretty awesome company. It's amazing. I'm very happy that I have discovered this stock. It is called Silvercrest Asset Management Group Incorporation. This company, guys, is a wealth management firm. It provides financial advisory and related family office services in the United States. By the way, just want to mention something. If I like a stock, please understand, and I'm saying this to the very few, less than 1%, who for some reason throw blames at others. If I like this stock, that's just my opinion. What does that mean? Don't buy according to my opinion. Do your own homework, right? So just I like it. Whatever happens, but I like this, all right? So please do your own due diligence before you buy anything. The company serves ultra high net worth individuals, right? Ultra high net worth individuals and families, as well as their trusts, endowments, foundations, and other institutional investors. So they serve all the elite rich people. It also manages funds and other investment funds. The company was founded in 2002 and is headquartered in New York. So with it having the elite wealthy people as customers, it makes sense that the stock is doing well the past 5 years, right? And this is a stock that I want to buy and hold for the long term, very long term. It's at $17.89 right now. It pays a great dividend. It has a great 5-year track record. It has great financials, great clientele. I don't know. I think that this is just the whole. It gets me really happy. This is really awesome. 3 days ago, Silvercrest Asset Management to announce first quarter 2023 results. So when will they announce their next earnings? It will be on May 5th, 2023, 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time, obviously before the market opens. So during pre-market hours, May 5th, the earnings. The previous earnings were pretty awesome. Silvercrest Asset Management, non-GAAP EPS of 15 cents positive. Revenue of $28.49 million, beats by $580,000. And if we look at the total year revenue of this stock, it has been beautiful and perfect for the past 8 years, with the exception of a small negative 6%. That was 2022. Other than that, every single year for the past, let's say, 7 years, from 2021 going back to 2014, every single year, the stock has always had an increase in revenue, which is awesome. If we look at the forecast, they have a $23 price target. Analysts are bullish. Obviously, it doesn't mean anything. The company has a 4.3% forward yield, paying out 72 cents per year. It is expecting EPS growth at around 12%, expanding offerings to include OCIO, which means Outsourced Chief Investment Officer, strong free cash conversion, converting 57% of EBITDA to free cash flow. Despite downturn in market, it still has a strong asset under management growth of 28% since 2003, which is awesome. If anyone wants to look at more information such as financial forecast, it is all right here. You can pause the video if you want to look at that. And with that being said, Silvercrest Asset Management Group Incorporation is a stock that I think deserves to be in my long-term retirement portfolio and collect that beautiful dividend and know that I own a great company with great financials and so on. Now, this video did not do a full review and analysis into Silvercrest Asset Management, right? This was not a full detailed review. We did not see the full details of their financials. That's something that I think that you should do your own due diligence on, and figure out if you like this stock or not. Me personally, I've done, I like it, I've seen it, I like it, and so that's that. Let me know in the comment section below if this video was helpful to you. If it was, please share it in your social media. That would really help me. And if you want to join my Patreon or Discord, link will be in the comment section below. I wish you all the best. Take care.
Are you looking for a Discord platform that offers a first-class trading community? That's what you can expect when you join Bull Market Watch. Trading can be challenging for some people, but we're here to simplify the process for you. We have a very powerful track record. Our Discord deals with day trades, swing trades, and long-term trades. Hundreds of traders operate through our Discord, where we come up with stocks to trade for profits on the NASDAQ and NYSE. With a low monthly subscription of $9.90, you will have full access to our Discord, where you can interact with other traders and get all the latest news when it comes to trading as well. It's a community that is extremely supportive of one another and always willing to help each other out. Become a member of Bull Market Watch today and be on your way to a better financial situation.